This video will help you how you can make the orange juice and then orange machine if you buy already but don't know how to use, and then how we use these spare parts to fix in the machine. Everything I will guide you step by step. So first of all, you need to use this part to fix here, but make sure you have to close this lock here properly so your juice will not drop, and then if the orange waste come from here, so it will not going to inside the machine. So that is the main part, you need to close it properly. And then this one is the part the juice is coming, this one is the waste of the oranges. So here you can see the 3 pin, you can see here 3 pin. So and then also you can see here 1 2 3. So you must put there proper way. If I can close up, if I show you the close up way, 1 2 3, and then here 1 2 3. So that one you have to put it proper way. Now the second part is this. Here you can see the slide, and then also in the this side you can see here. So you must insert here to lock it proper way. And then now you can see here the where is the waste come out for the when you are making the juice. And then if you can see here where we fixed the lock before, so this hole must be sit there. Now it's sit properly, you twist first. If this one is not twisting, it's sitting the proper. Now is the next part is this one going to machine side, and then this one is upper side. So you have to insert in the hole, middle hole. So you just lock it proper. So see, it's all sit proper. Now the main part is on the top. You can see this lock is going here. This one is the actually power lock. If you didn't fix proper, the power is not coming through to this machine. So I will fix the, you can see here the clips. So I will fix like this, sit, and then twist until it will lock in the machine. Now you can see here, if I can show you the zoom way. Here we insert the orange, and then if there is an extra orange, we can pull here, and then the juice will come this side. So I will make the orange juice also, so you can see. Now this pot we put here for the waste, and then this pot for the juice. Then this one is the cap, we need to fix it proper way to lock it first. Now it's time to cut the oranges. Now we cut the orange. Just cut in the 4 pieces is enough. Now we just take out fill out this cover of the orange. You can see, and then insert in the machine. We put few, and then after that we will turn on the machine. Now we turn on the machine. You can see how the oranges go through. And then here is the orange juice. This one is the orange juice. Here is the waste, and then you can see here the oranges. It's fresh juice. Now orange juice is ready. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe my channel, press the bell icon for the new updates. So let's see you in the next video with the new tips, new tricks. Thank you.